A landmark study by the Law Council of Australia has found that women face significant levels of discrimination, with one of the study's key figures telling Lawyers Weekly the profession is a men's-only club. Fiona McLeod SC described female attrition as a symptom of a profession that still caters to men when discussing the results of the Law Council of Australia's Attrition and Re-engagement Study, the NARS, which was unveiled on the 14th of March. The 150-page NARS report included damning statistics on the rate of discrimination, bullying and harassment in the legal profession. Half of all women claim to have experienced discrimination due to their gender, compared to just over 10% of men. 1 in 4 women said they were discriminated against due to family or carer responsibilities. A number of women also reported receiving unwanted advances, feeling objectified or being exposed to inappropriate sexual behaviour. Discrimination was not limited to male offenders though, with a number of women identified as the perpetrators. The study also found an equally staggering 50% of women and 1 in 3 men said they had been bullied or intimidated in the workplace. Included among dozens of recommendations to help reduce the rate of attrition were the promotion of flexible work practices and the exploration of alternative billing models. The NARS analysed the results of an online survey from 3,801 practising lawyers, 84 lawyers who had left the profession, and 75 individuals who have completed a law qualification but have not practised law. Just over 70% of the practising lawyers who completed the survey were women. A former senior associate at Henry Davis York has launched a boutique firm that will only offer fixed fees. Sarah Nikita left Henry Davis York and launched Aurora Workplace Law last month. The Sydney-based employment law specialist is seeking to offer clients a specialised workplace investigation service that will dovetail with more traditional legal work. Nikita told Lawyers Weekly that she saw an opportunity to offer such a combined service, and by using a fixed fee structure, she'll be able to charge clients less than what her charge-out rates were at Henry Davis York. Nikita also said that by having her own practice, she would have more flexibility as to how she could structure her working day and spend more time with her 2 young daughters. In March, Lawyers Weekly exclusively broke the story about the new firm Hive Legal, which was launched by former Minter Ellison partner Mitzi Gilligan and former DLA Piper partner Simon Davidson. Lawyers Weekly also exclusively broke the story about 13 redundancies at Henry Davis York in March. CBP head Dunstan de Souza has told Lawyers Weekly that his firm's reputation has not been tarnished by current and former partners at the firm being called before ICAC. CBP managing partner Dunstan de Souza was speaking to Lawyers Weekly with regard to allegations made against his predecessor as managing partner, Nick D. Girolamo, and the closeness of the firm's relationship to the Obeid family. In March, senior CBP partner Greg Skehan gave evidence before ICAC on his role as the director of the company Australian Water Holdings, AWH, which had links to the Obeid family. D. Girolamo left CBP to take on a full-time role with AWH in 2007. De Souza told Lawyers Weekly that the Obeids were a minuscule part of the firm, with CBP only doing 6 pieces of work for them between 2008 to 2012. CBP opened almost 15,000 files in the same period. CBP is also currently taking legal action to recover around $750,000 owed to the firm by the Obeids. At the ICAC hearings, it emerged that D. Girolamo, who is also a prominent fundraiser for the Liberal Party, paid himself around $1 million per year plus bonuses while an office holder with AWH. It has also been alleged that he was involved in funneling money to a slush fund controlled by the senior Liberal Party figure Chris Harcher, and that he colluded with the Obeids to try and win a government contract. At those ICAC hearings, counsel assisting the Commission, Jeffrey Watson SC, asked Skehan about a private lunch at CBP's Sydney office in 2007, less than 2 months after De Souza replaced D. Girolamo as the managing partner. D. Girolamo, Skehan and De Souza were all present at the lunch, which also included Eddie Obeid Sr. and Jr., the former New South Wales Treasurer Michael Costa, and the former Federal Government Minister Mark Habib. Senior business executives also attended. De Souza revealed to Lawyers Weekly that the lunch was a fundraiser for the Labor Party, and he said there was nothing inappropriate in a law firm hosting fundraisers for political parties. That's it for the latest edition of the Lawyers Weekly Law Report. You can keep up to date with the latest legal news by following us on Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn, and by downloading the Lawyers Weekly app. I'm Justin Whealing, and I hope to see you again next month.